Von Allmen is a Swiss World Cup alpine ski racer who competes in a speed disciplines of downhill and super G. He won two gold medals at the 2025 World Championships in Saalbach, Austria. He competes in downhill and super G events and achieved his first World Cup victory in January 2025. The 2024 to 25 session has been exceptional for Von Allmen. He made the podium 7 times across the session and scored his first World Cup victories. Beyond his Wengen Super G win, he added downhill victories in Crans, Montana and Kvitfjell, Norway, finishing second in a downhill World Cup standings. Most recently, he won the Crans Montana downhill on February 1, 2025 for the second consecutive year, celebrating with a cozy flip in front of roaring Swiss crowd. Von Allmen particularly loves when he piste has more ice than snow, enjoying the scratching sound heard when his ski around gets close to absolute limit. Von Allmen has drawn comparisons to Swiss legend Beat Fuse and benefits from training alongside teammate Macro Odermatt, whom he credits for creating a great team spirit. At age 17, he faced a devastating setback when his father died suddenly, creating financial struggles that threatened to derail his skiing career. To continue training, he launched a crowdfunding campaign that raised enough money to finance another session, after which he earned a spot in the Swiss ski squad.